Let me show you how you can change size of lock screen clock on Realme 14 Pro. We got actually two methods. The first one, go into settings and navigate for wallpapers and style. Pick one of your theme. And right now, when you tap on the clock, you can actually get this different styles. So as you can see right here, it's actually changing size of this one. For example, this one is bigger than this one. But also when you change the font style, the bold of the font, it also will be a little bit bigger, but it's also related for the font. So the biggest one is probably this one or this one. Let's say that this one. And now you can click apply. But this is the first part, and now I'm going to show you how you can make it even bigger. So you will have to go into more themes, and right now pick cover one. And as you can see here, we can also change it and make it a little bit bigger by selecting different styles. And this is actually how you can change it. There's like no any other way to make it much bigger, or for example much smaller.